Hi everyone, and welcome to a little unboxing of some squishy mail. That's a pretty cute sticker. I like that. Don't know if I can salvage it, but anyhow, since I was not able to go to the I just woke up from a nap and apparently I'm not able to form sentences quite yet. Anyway, since I was unable to go to the Frederick Fiber Festival earlier, or a couple weeks ago, I thought I'm going to treat myself and buy myself some yarn online. Oh, there's an extra little goodie in there. Ooh, cup of tea, a little candy, business cards. So I ordered from Nanette Wake Studio. I've ordered from her before. She's on Etsy. I'll put the link down below. And I love her yarn. Absolutely love her yarn. I love English breakfast tea. There's the tea, her business card, a little candy, and a handful of little light bulb stitch markers. And the yarn. I've just put the receipt off to the side. And so here is what I got. I ordered 3 50-gram skeins of soft yarn. One of them was on special because it was the Halloween color and I was ordering it like 2 days before Halloween. And look at these. Oh my goodness. These are amazing. So this is the Halloween one. Probably, obviously. It's black, orange, yellow, purple. Gorgeous. It's called Cast a Spell. 50 grams, 218 yards. It's an 85-15 blend. A little bit of instructions and her little logo. Oh, this is nice. This is so good. This is so good. So that's the first one. The second one is a little bit of a Christmas colorway. And this one is called Christmas in Washington 2024. Not sure if you can see that. So again, it's a fingering weight yarn, 50 grams. I don't know if it's my imagination, that font is really tiny. But that is also so pretty. Might cast this one on next once I'm done the 2 that I'm working on with West Yorkshire Spinners. And then this one is just another, it's not a specific seasonal, it's just a gorgeous speckle. It's called Saddlebag. So, isn't that pretty? I absolutely love her yarns. I have 1 or 2 of the other Christmas colorways she has. I have several of her yarns. And I love them. So that is my little yarn haul. My squishy mail that came Saturday afternoon. Sunday afternoon when I'm filming this. I'll probably post this later today or tomorrow, and might have it go live tomorrow morning. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because I think I'm going to cast this one on once I'm done with the West Yorkshire Spinners yarn. That is pretty. They're all gorgeous. This one I'm looking forward to knitting this one up leading up to Halloween next year. I'll do that one probably in end of September, early October. I'll cast this one on. This one, who knows? But I do have to check and see which other ones of hers I have, because I probably have 3 or 4 other skeins of her yarn. It's just so gorgeous. I already said goodbye. I'll say it again. I will see you again very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.